the next exercise is for the field properties. So in the field properties, what we are going to do, we are going to select, choose the start position of a particular field. So for example, here you see that we have the same data, but here we have our data kind of misaligned. So we have contact name far on the right, then we have address on the next line with the keyword. So if I want to attach my field with a particular keyword, so for that we have to use advanced field properties. And let me just copy this path. So we are going to create a new report model for this one. Go into field properties, start position. Okay, let's create a new data region and keyword account. Let's increase the line count. Okay, so for example, for the first field, okay, I can simply select this data field here. So it is perfect right now, but what if I want to say that, okay, I don't want this space right here, okay, or it may happen that my data is a little bit on the right. For example, if I simply go here and just keep it to this one. So this was an example of a simple capturing data field, but if you see in the second field, we have our data kind of moved to the right here. Okay, so I can select the second field here, or I can select this field. So if I do this, you can see that all other fields have not been captured correctly. Okay, I know that whatever the data I have, it is after this particular keyword, contact and then colon. So what I can do, I can simply, first of all, let me just change the name. Then I can right click on this field from either here and go into properties, or I can click on here and go from here into field properties. Okay, so or we have this button as well for going into field properties. So there are multiple ways to do that. So let's just click on this button, and these are all the advanced properties that we allow for defining a field. So you can define the start position of your field in different manners. You can define the length of that field in different manners, and then if your field is covering more than one line as a height, then you can define that as well here from here. So for this case, we know that our data starts after the keyword contact colon, and it is in the same line. So for this, we can use this option after the string in current line, and here I can write my keyword contact colon space. Also, if I want to change the length of my field, I can do it from here. So let's say if as I know that this is the only data in the current line, so I can say, okay, just get it till end of this line. Okay, click OK. Now you see the starting point of this field is right after contact colon space everywhere, and the end point is wherever the line is ending, right? So now it basically captures your all your data correctly. So let's just preview it. Okay, there's one field missing. Oh, so there isn't a space here, so I'll have to remove that. Field properties. So I won't add the space after colon. Now it has captured this one as well. So let's preview data now. Okay. So here you have. Also, we have option for remove leading spaces and trailing of spaces checked here. So if I uncheck that, you can have your extra spaces, but since I don't want extra spaces in this case, so I'll just keep them checked. Okay. Now for the address field, if I directly highlight and try to capture it right now, you can see that, okay, here it has been captured correctly, but in the next one you see that it has captured the first line, but it has also captured the keyword address, and I do not want that. Instead, I want the second line, which is here. So for that, what I'm going to do, let me just first change the field name. So I'll again go into the properties, and here my keyword is basically in the previous line. So here I'm going to choose the start position as after string in previous line. So here I'm going to write the keyword address colon, click OK. So you see that it has automatically captured all the fields correctly here. These were the different field properties in Astera ReportMiner. In the next video, we will learn about creating a hierarchical report model.